When it's time to replace your door, whether for security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, or all three, selecting the right door replacement company in Clinton Township is a decision that requires careful thought. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Here's a comprehensive, customer-focused guide to help you make a confident, informed choice. Look for local expertise. Start by narrowing your search to companies that are local to Clinton Township. Local companies are more likely to be familiar with the area's climate, building codes, and architectural styles, ensuring that your door installation is both compliant and suitable for local weather conditions. A locally rooted business also brings community accountability. After all, they live and work in the same area and often depend on word-of-mouth referrals. Evaluate credentials and licensing. Always check if the door replacement company is properly licensed, bonded, and insured. This protects you from any liability in the event of property damage or injury during the project. A reputable company should have no problem providing proof of these credentials. You should also verify that they are certified installers for the specific door brands they offer, which can affect the product's warranty and performance. Check reviews and testimonials. Online reviews and client testimonials offer invaluable insight into how a company treats its customers. Look for reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau. Pay attention not only to the star ratings but also to how the company responds to both praise and complaints. A few negative reviews are normal, but repeated patterns, like delays, poor communication, or shoddy workmanship, are red flags. Review their product selection. The best door replacement companies in Clinton Township offer a broad selection of door styles, materials, and brands. Whether you're looking for a classic wooden front door, a modern steel design, or an energy-efficient fiberglass option, a good company will help you weigh the pros and cons of each. They should be able to guide you toward a door that complements your home's design, fits your budget, and improves functionality. Request detailed estimate. A reliable door replacement company should offer free, no-obligation quotes. More importantly, those quotes should be detailed and transparent, breaking down costs for materials, labor, installation, and any extra services, such as disposal of your old door. Beware of companies that give vague or unusually low estimates. These often come with hidden costs or poor quality work. Ask about warranties and guarantees. Top-rated companies stand behind their work. Ask about warranties on both the door product and the installation. A solid warranty reflects confidence in the quality of materials and workmanship. Make sure you understand what is covered, how long it lasts, and the process for filing a claim if something goes wrong. Assess communication and professionalism. From your first interaction, a company should be responsive, courteous, and willing to answer your questions. How a company communicates during the planning and quoting phase is often a strong indicator of what you can expect during installation. Do they return calls promptly? Are they punctual for appointments? Do they provide clear answers? If not, it's wise to look elsewhere. Trust your instincts. Finally, trust your gut. A door replacement is an investment in your home, and you should feel comfortable with the people doing the work. If something feels off, whether it's pressure sales tactics, evasive answers, or lack of documentation, don't ignore those signs. Conclusion: choosing the best door replacement company in Clinton Township doesn't have to be stressful. By focusing on local expertise, proven credentials, transparency, and customer care, you can find a trusted partner to enhance your home with a beautiful, durable new door. Take your time, do your research, and select a company that puts your satisfaction first. Your front door is the gateway to your home. Make sure it's in the right hands.